Welcome to the Glow Up on a Budget series where I try tips and tricks from the internet to try and glow up on a budget. Hi, my name is Vionna. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we are doing DIY lash extensions. So I have tried doing DIY lash extensions on myself before. They mostly last a couple of days. They don't even last a few weeks. I want these lashes to last at least 1 to 2 weeks without it falling off, so I really need to find a good glue. I'm trying these lashes out and I'll be documenting to see if these lashes and the technique that I use works well. Here are the few things that I'm testing out for these DIY lash extensions. First of all, how long they last. I want them to last at least 1 to 2 weeks. If it's longer, it's better. Last time I tried, they only lasted a few days before they started falling off. Second of all, how well they stick to my lashes. This is very important because I cannot see. Right now I'm wearing contact lenses. I have to wear glasses. How well will they hold when I'm taking out my contact lenses and when I'm wearing glasses as well? Third of all, how well they look as well. All these items I got from AliExpress. I'll find the links to them and put it down below in the YouTube description. So first of all, we have lash bond and lash seal. It's in pink. We have these little lash clusters. So I have them in 13mm, 14mm and 15mm. As you can see, I have used them before because I have tried to do lash extensions before. This time, let's see how well it works. Okay, so let's start with the lash extensions. So first of all, I am going to curl my lashes because as you can see right here, they go straight down. I also have my trusty mirror from Kmart that lights up. I think I'm going to start with the middle and I'm going to start with the 14mm. I'm going to test out the glue. So we're going to start off with the lash bond first. Under the eye, like a mascara, because I want to put my lashes underneath. As you can see right here, it is a very white glue. I've done the middle part of my eyelashes and I'm just gonna go with the lash bond again for the front part of my lash line, because we are gonna do my lashes at the front and we're going to be using the 13mm lashes so I can create more of a cat-like look. So I'm not going to put too much lashes at the front because the lashes at the inner corner of my eyes, they are very sparse. There's like literally no lashes near there. And then so now I'm going to go with the 15mm lashes, and then we're just going to go with these lashes at the very outer corner of my eyelid. Then again, we're just going to take some more lash bond. So this is what the lashes look like, my lash extensions, and these are just only one eyelash cluster all the way through. I haven't put any double, and this is what it looks like for one eye. I'm not too sure about it. I feel like I want it more like that way as well. It seems like there's not a lot of lashes on it. Basically, this is the eyelash extensions on this eye I just completed. But now we're gonna go with the lash seal. I just want to carefully like seal the lashes. And that's basically my lashes sealed. So I'm just gonna go and quickly do the other side of my eyes off camera. Then I go back to the eyes. So I have just completed both eyes of my lashes. As you can see, they look a bit different. This one, the inner corner of the lashes curve more this way compared to this way. And I'll show you a picture of the lashes that I got done professionally in the past, and you can compare what they both look like. This is what the lashes look like if I show kind of like the inner corner of my eye, like the lash line of my eye. I am not quite sure if I put the lashes on correctly. This took me about an hour to do because I've done them in the past. I've kind of gotten used to how to place it. Definitely the way I do it is I kind of hold the lashes like this is the lash, hold it like this, and I put it like this. It just gives it more, it's just easier than compared to doing like this way. hold it like this or like this. The first time I've done it, I think it took me about 2 hours. This is about 1 hour because I was kind of very fickle with the placement of the thing. I'm pretty sure if I do it more, I would definitely do it more faster. So the rest of the video is gonna be basically me testing out my lashes on when I'm taking off my contacts, washing my face, that kind of stuff, and just documenting how long it lasts. Anyways, it's the next day and I am currently wearing glasses with the lashes. It's currently night time. My review of these lashes: if you cannot see, if you need to wear contacts when wearing lash extensions, I would want to feel like you want to rip your lashes out. The only way to like really see properly without the lashes getting in the way of glasses or hitting glasses frame is to wear contact lenses. And just a little tip, when you do DIY lash extensions, probably don't have false nails as well. It was a bit of a struggle getting the contacts out. Also, another review, you can see the lashes over here, they're about to fall off. If you are patient in terms of taking care of the lashes and not bothering you, maybe you can see, so you don't have to worry about wearing contacts or wearing glasses. These lashes definitely are worth it, but they are low-key driving me insane and I cannot keep up with this much longer. But that is the review of the DIY lash trend. Definitely, I think I would consider it more if I wasn't having false lashes, but I think I'm gonna stick to wearing falsies. But that is the end of the video. I'll keep making content like this, so please subscribe to my channel. Bye!